Welcome to our in-depth review of the Bitsa Young Prepaid Debit Card. If you're new to prepaid cards, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to decide if Bitsa Young is right for you. First, what exactly is the Bitsa Young Prepaid Debit Card? It's a versatile card that targets young users, offering an easy way to manage funds without a traditional bank account. You can use it to make purchases online, in stores, and even withdraw cash from ATMs. One of the main advantages of Bitsa Young is that it doesn't require a credit check, which means that almost anyone can apply and start using the card. It's also great for young people or those new to managing money, as it comes with an intuitive app that helps you track spending in real time. The app offers other helpful features, like setting limits on spending and easily transferring money between users. For parents, it's an ideal option for giving teens a bit of financial independence while still being able to monitor their spending. However, like any prepaid card, there are some fees to be aware of. While you don't need to worry about overdraft charges, there are certain costs for services like ATM withdrawals and topping up your card balance. There may also be fees for converting currencies if you use the card abroad, so make sure to check the terms of service for all applicable charges. What about security? Bitsa Young uses the latest encryption technology, and you can easily freeze or unfreeze your card directly through the app if you lose it. There's no risk of overspending, as the card is prepaid, meaning you can only spend the funds that are loaded onto it. Despite the many advantages, Bitsa Young does come with a few drawbacks. For one, it's not accepted everywhere. While you can use it in many places where Visa is accepted, certain merchants may still decline prepaid cards. Additionally, users may find the fees for some services a bit high, especially for international use or frequent ATM withdrawals. Overall, Bitsa Young is a solid option for young people, parents, or anyone looking for a simple, secure way to handle money without a traditional bank. It's flexible, user-friendly, and offers a level of control that's ideal for new users. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more detailed reviews on financial products.